few jobs done on Maggie the motorhome over the winter. Upgraded our leisure battery as our old leisure battery had started to fail on us, so we upgraded to an AGM, absorbed glass matte battery. It's just better quality battery. We also doubled up on our solar panels, so we got 2 solar panels now with a 20 amp charger. Just gives us a bit more flexibility when we're offline. Yeah, so we come away for a few days just to check things out before we go away at the end of April. So we rocked up at the, you can see over my shoulder here, the wonderfully named Pooh Cottage caravan park, not far from Budley Salterton in East Devon. Cracking little site. Yeah, so stick with me, I'll show you around. The Pooh Cottage Holiday Park, Budley Salterton, East Devon. Cracking little site, all the usual facilities for motorhomes, caravans, shower and toilet block, free Wi-Fi, so come and check it out. Also, we're off at the end of April on our European adventure around Croatia, Slovenia. So if you'd like to join us, please subscribe. So safe travels, take care, see you next time.